External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid is joining us from Delhi. Mr. Khurshid, first of all, I think this is strong and decisive action that has been taken by your government, and that is really welcome. However, there are some other questions. Principally, as Foreign Minister, your challenge would be, wouldn't it, to ensure that Pakistan is not off the hook. However, the legal process in Pakistan is scarcely moving. Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi, Hafiz Saeed and all the other perpetrators are very free. They issue fresh threats. The Lashkar-e-Toiba has issued a fresh threat from the soil of Pakistan today. What pressure will you bring to bear on Islamabad?
Arnab, I appreciate your concern in this program, expressing a range of opinions, each of which I believe is very valid, given that this is such a traumatic and tragic experience for our country. And of course, it was important that we tell the world and we tell our neighbors that our security cannot be trifled with. We did go through a very transparent and a very objective procedure, rule of law, and we've reached a conclusion that I think is a very decisive one and should have an impact far beyond our borders. But again, as we do this, we are conscious that this is only one chapter of a very, very long and terrible volume of events that need to be accounted for. And we will do our best. I can't expressly state what all is necessary and what all will be done, but I can assure you the Government of India will do its best to make sure that every single person responsible is made accountable.
Why don't
Sadly, some of this has to be on someone else.
Why don't you? Because there is increasing pressure that is building on Pakistan from the United States of America as well. Why don't you use the opportunity, Mr. Foreign Minister, to link political level dialogue or even higher bureaucratic diplomatic level dialogue with Pakistan to the 2611 case?
Well, I can assure you that there isn't a moment in which we don't use whatever capacity we have and whatever ability we have in coordination with a large number of countries, and certainly, as you mentioned, United States of America, to bring about and to make to bear upon Pakistan whatever pressure is effective and which will deliver. And I think there are signs and signals of that beginning to work, but I can't say that we can express any satisfaction at this point of time.
Would you feel the Pakistani government is too weak to act on Hafiz Saeed?
I think it's a complicated situation. I don't want to comment on another government, but I do understand that it's an extremely complicated situation west of our borders. But be that as it may, I think in the international arena, it's important that every country and every representative government or government that represents itself for people does account for international law and does account for basic sense of humanity. And I think that there cannot be any alibis and excuses for that, but we do understand it's a complex and complicated situation.
Salman Khurshid, last question. Afzal Guru, since you're a representative of the government, there is a growing sense of impatience now, and you would have to explain to the nation that if after 4 years the person who carried out a massacre in Mumbai is hanged, why after 9 years is the person who attacked the greatest symbol of our democracy, why is that person, perhaps due to vote bank politics or other pressures, still living off taxpayer money?
Well, I think that it's important that we don't lose sight of procedures, and we don't lose sight of our commitment to rule of law. I'm not in a position today as Foreign Minister to give you details of what is today being done in processing any other issue, and the Home Minister would be better equipped to do that. But I can only assure you, and through you, the entire country, that we will not be found wanting in what we believe is a very, very onerous obligation to ensure that we do the utmost to protect the country and make people accountable who raise their unhealthy attention against our country.
I appreciate, Mr. Khurshid, you cannot make a commitment on a television program, but I would just like to communicate to you, because on behalf of thousands of times now viewers, scholars and those who are emailing and SMSing us, that there is genuine anger over Afzal Guru as well. And as the media, we can only communicate their point of view to you. I'm sure you as a politician, a foreign minister of India, are more than aware of that sentiment. Perhaps you will do something, but my responsibility is to communicate that you will send some of all the SMSs and emails that we have received to your office, so that it can be taken up at the highest level. Mr. Khurshid.
Thank you. We are there fully with you. I would just simply say, use the word determination and commitment. We are people who believe in law, and I think law will stand by us. Let's remain faithful to the law of the land.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Mr. Minister. Thank you.